In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel or deactivate your Bet365 account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to cancel or delete your Bet365 app, obviously to open up the app and make sure you are signed in. And then from here, you want to click on your profile icon, top right hand corner. And then if we go ahead and click onto my account and have a look here, if there's a place where we can click to cancel or deactivate. As you can see, it's on my account and there's no actual way to cancel or deactivate your account. So if we go back inside your account here, Bet365 makes it super tough or really hard to cancel or deactivate your account because they want to keep you as a customer. They should really have an option here to cancel or delete. So the only way you can do it is to go to help down below, and then you want to click on contact us under support there, and then from here choose your location. It should automatically choose your location, and then you want to open a chat, or you can send an email, send web message, or you can call customer service. So any one of these ways will work. And then just simply, for example, open chat here and then say you would like to cancel or deactivate your account, and just go through the prompts with the support staff over at Bet365 and they'll help you cancel or delete your account.